home remedy for nails growth. All of us go through a phase where we experience nails getting broken, and it makes us more tensed if we have an event coming soon. And even if our one nail gets broken, it starts giving an ugly look, we end up cutting other nails too just to make them all look equal. It's true that we all want healthy and long nails. Pretty nails usually add beauty to your hands. If your nails aren't long, your hands might end up looking manly. Keeping a healthy diet with a proper nail care routine can help your nails grow, and it also helps in keeping nails strong. Well, if you have weak, peeling or brittle nails, then no need to worry at all, because there are always solutions to problems. Yes, that means we are going to give some home remedies for nail growth. 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is really hydrating and can help reinforce your nails and relax your cuticles. Additionally, it has antifungal properties, which is an extraordinary news in case you're inclined to nail contaminations. Coconut oil functions admirably for healthy nail development. It contains significant supplements to keep your nails nourished and strong. It additionally strengthens your cuticles, which assume a key job in nail development. Also, it helps fix hangnails, fingernail skin diseases and parasitic nails. How to use. Warm some little amount of coconut oil and massage them on your cuticles and nails in a circular motion. Massaging them in circular motion can help improve the blood circulation. Do this every day before going to bed. 2. Protein. Foods which are rich in protein can help nails grow longer and stronger. Nails are made up of protein, so why not add more protein to your diet and get perfect nails? Nails are basically made of a fibrous structural protein which is called keratin. This is the thing that provides nails their strength and flexibility. It likewise shields your nails from harm or stress. Strangely, the keratin you see is dead. Nails are shaped by dead cells, your body gives your nails new cells. Eating enough protein through your diet plans is fundamental for boosting up keratin production and by creating strong nails. Low-protein diet can cause weaker nails, which is why we must take foods which are rich in proteins. Protein diet foods. Protein can be found in foods like meat, fish, eggs and plant foods, such beans, nuts, seeds and whole grains. Protein is also found in dairy products such as milk and cheese. 3. Olive oil. To help growth, it is necessary to keep your nails very much saturated. Olive oil is perfect with regards to nail care. It enters the skin and nails and hence sustains your nails. Additionally, it contains vitamin E, which improves blood flow, helps fix harmed nails and advances nail quality and development. Olive oil enters the skin and nail to help fix with damage, and it softens nails, also cuticles, which prompts nail strength and helps maintaining the health. How to use. Warm olive oil and massage it on your nails. You can also dip your nails in warm olive oil. Repeat these steps daily for best results. 4. Lemons. Lemons could help with lighting up your nails and eliminate stains, and vitamin C advances more strong growth of your nails. It helps strengthening your nails. Lemon also gives a very neat effect to your skin. Your nail looks fresh. How to use. Cut a slice of lemon and rub it on your nails for almost 5 minutes. Wash your hands with lukewarm water. Repeat the step daily. Do not rub on your nails if you have a cut, because that might sting. You can also try another method to apply lemon on your nails. Take 1 part of lemon with 3 parts of olive oil. Mix it well and apply on your nails. Leave it overnight for the best results. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contains a high quantity of biotin which helps in nail growth as well as makes them strong and shiny. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin A and C, both nutrients help in strengthening your nails. Tomatoes also gives a glow to your nails. How to use: mix half cup of tomato juice with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Dip your hands for 20 minutes. Do these steps daily for the best results. 6. Garlic. Garlic is very rich in selenium. Selenium helps in growth of nails. It also makes your nails strong. Your nails won't break easily if you will use garlic on your nails. How to use: cut a piece of garlic and rub it on your nail, but if it is too strong for you, then you can make a garlic oil. Extract garlic juice from the piece of garlic. Add 1 part of garlic juice with 4 parts of coconut oil and apply it to on your nails. Repeat the steps daily for the best results. Pro tips: cut your nails regularly, it will help them grow faster. Apply any moisturized cream on your nails so they will stay moisturized and your nails will also glow. Do not bite your nails. Do not even scratch them, it will make them weak. Wear gloves during work to keep your nails from damage. You might get a crack on nails. Eat a healthy diet for smooth, healthy and strong nails. Keep your nails clean and dry, otherwise it can cause a nail infection. Keep your cuticles with care too. Do not apply those nail polishes which has sulfonamide, toluene formaldehyde. These can harm the nails and can make your nails weak. Weakening of nails can break your nails. Keep your nails in sunlight, which will provide vitamin D to your nails and that will promote growth to your nails.